Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to enter BIOS in Windows 11. All right, first up, you're going to want to go ahead and go to your search bar and type in System Information. All right, once that's typed in, just go ahead and hit on Enter or click this System Information right here. Click on it. Now, what we're going to do in here is just go ahead and locate baseboard product. All right, as you can see here, I have B550M Pro 4, and that is the motherboard. So what we're going to do in that particular information is we're going to go ahead and open up our favorite browser. Now, we're going to want to type in how to open BIOS in B550M Pro 4. Hit enter. All right, as you can see here, I'll need to restart and then press the F2 key or delete key. I will need to keep that in mind. So what I'm going to do now is restart our computer. Restart. All right. Remember, your motherboard might be different. So just go ahead and look it up online on what to press. So it says here, the time when it goes black, I'm just going to wait for the prompt where it says that I need to press something. All right. I'm going to show you my keyboard, and here's my delete key. I'm going to press on it. And there we have our BIOS. All right. And that's basically how we go to BIOS in Windows 11. From here, you can go ahead and tweak your system by loading an XMP profile, overclock your CPU and RAM, and whatever it is. Go ahead and go to security, secure boot, enable secure boot, and fast boot. All right. That's basically how I do it. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.